Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to take smells away from pots and pans, especially frying stuff. I just fried some hot dogs there, and it creates a smell that I don't like. And I found out that through from another video, so I'm going to make this video separately. All you need is cleaning vinegar. Okay? You want cleaning vinegar and add it to your soap. That's it. So far I have mixed 50-50. So mix 50 soap and then mixed 50% of this in there. Okay? So now I dedicate a jar separately for pots and pans like that. See it? So that's my cleaning. That's with vinegar. Now remember, when you put vinegar in these soap, you will not see suds. You see a little bit of suds, but it's not going to be a lot. And I'm going to slide the video towards here and I'm going to show it to you. Example. Let me take this out so it won't affect my stuff. Example. See how much suds there is? Okay? A lot of suds. If you want to make this as well, I have a video on that too. I'll link it to here. Okay? Now here, let me rinse this off. I'm going to rinse this out. And now we're going to put our special. Even though I put a lot, you see? See? There's not a lot of suds. See that? Small little bubbles. There's not a lot of suds. But don't worry. It will take the smell away. I promised. You're gonna see something like this right here. Put a little water in, and you're gonna see not a lot of suds. See that? Because I believe they put this type of alcohol in there to get rid of the smell. And I believe the acid neutralize. But will it clean? Yes. It's still gonna clean. You see there's no suds on there whatsoever. A little bit. But don't be fooled. I'll show you in a minute. I had grease in this pan. And look what happened. See? And you want to smell it. No more smell. So it's easy as that. To take grease smell away, all you have to do is add cleaning vinegar to your salt or to your soap. And that's it. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful to you. And I will see you in the next video.